Okay, our next little mini tip for increasing happiness in your life is to serve others. I know sometimes when I'm feeling down about myself, sometimes the best thing I can do is go out and serve others. And I do it selfishly a lot of times. I do it for me because it makes me feel good, and that seeing the reaction of others brings happiness to me. It brings joy and fulfillment to me. And anytime we're fulfilling ourselves in any way, it's going to increase our joy and our happiness. So that's one thing I do. If I'm down on myself, I try to go out and serve somebody else. And then a lot of times too, I realize my situation isn't so bad when I see what other people are going through. And I'm happy and grateful for my own trials and my own experiences. So it's a great way to increase our gratitude also. So if you're feeling down, try serving someone else and see if that increases your happiness. And happiness is a choice, and we have a website that has great information on how to increase happiness. And you can see all these tips if you go to shop-smart.com. Plus we teach you how to save money on everything you're buying, which I don't know about you, but I love saving money and that makes me happy. So go check our site out for lots of ways to save money, increase happiness, and much more. We'll see you there.